Welcome back to Ranking Room. What if I tell you that ChatGPT is no longer the king of AI chatbots? Sounds crazy, right? But there's a new challenger in town, and it's making serious waves: DeepSeek AI. This AI is not just another clone. Its launching rattled the US stock market, causing a loss of $6 billion. It's bringing some serious upgrades that might just make you rethink your loyalty to ChatGPT. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 reasons why DeepSeek AI is better than ChatGPT. And trust me, number 1 is a total game changer. Let's dive in. Advanced multilingual capabilities. Let's kick things off with a feature that's truly global: DeepSeek AI's insane multilingual capabilities. While ChatGPT supports multiple languages, DeepSeek takes it up a notch by offering more accurate and context-aware translations. Imagine this. You're trying to impress someone by texting in French, but instead of sounding romantic, ChatGPT makes you sound like a confused tourist with a broken dictionary. DeepSeek, on the other hand, ensures that your message actually makes sense and feels native. No embarrassing mistakes. So, if you're someone who works with multiple languages or just wants to impress your international friends, DeepSeek is the AI sidekick you need. More accurate and contextual responses. Ever asked ChatGPT a question and gotten an answer that made you go, that's not what I meant? We've all been there. ChatGPT sometimes hallucinates information or goes off on weird tangents. DeepSeek AI, however, has been designed to prioritize accuracy and context. Think of it this way: ChatGPT is like that one friend who gives answers even when they have no clue. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is the friend who actually double-checks before speaking. Which one would you trust more? For researchers, students, and content creators, this could be a total game changer. Faster and more efficient performance. Now, let's talk about speed. We've all experienced those moments when ChatGPT decides to take a coffee break mid-conversation. DeepSeek AI, on the other hand, is like that hyper-efficient employee who never slacks off. Responses are generated faster and with lower latency, making the user experience feel smooth and seamless. If ChatGPT sometimes feels like it's buffering in real life, DeepSeek AI is running on hyperdrive mode. And in the world of AI, speed matters. Better customization and memory retention. Here's where DeepSeek really shines. It remembers. Ever had ChatGPT forget everything you just told it in the last message? Annoying, right? DeepSeek AI offers improved memory retention, allowing for more personalized and context-aware conversations. Think of it as the difference between a goldfish, ChatGPT, and an elephant, DeepSeek AI. One forgets everything in 5 seconds, while the other remembers your preferences, past conversations, and even adapts to your style over time. If you're using AI for creative work, customer service, or even coding, this memory retention feature is a massive upgrade over ChatGPT. It's free and accessible without annoying paywalls. And now, the number 1 reason why DeepSeek AI is better than ChatGPT: it's free and accessible. While OpenAI locks some of its best features behind a ChatGPT Plus paywall, DeepSeek AI offers premium-level performance without forcing you to spend a dime. It's like going to a buffet where one restaurant makes you pay extra for drinks, while the other says, "Here, have everything for free." Which one are you picking? So there you have it. The top 5 reasons why DeepSeek AI is better than ChatGPT. Whether it's multilingual mastery, speed, accuracy, customization, or accessibility, DeepSeek is proving to be a serious challenger. Which feature you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech rankings and reviews. But wait, if you're really into AI tools, you need to check out our video on the top 10 AI tools you should be using right now. We cover some insane tools that can boost your productivity like never before. Click the video on your screen now, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.